In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract text from image using ChatGPT. So what you want to do first is click on this plus icon here. You click here and then you go to add photos and files. Now this will take you to your system explorer. So this is the image I want to extract text from. I'll just click on upload. It should upload this. Sometimes it might take longer depending on your network strength, but mine has been uploaded. Now you're going to write a prompt. Just say, let's say extract. Sorry. Okay, so let's just give that and send our prompt. So as you can see, it has extracted the text, and this is really helpful, particularly when maybe you just take a picture of a particular text and you want to copy it, but you can't because it's in an image, or you take a screenshot of something and you want to copy the text and you don't have the time to type it out or something. You just do this. It becomes really helpful, and you don't have to stress yourself typing out. Imagine typing out, I don't know how many words now. This would have taken me perhaps like 5 or 10 minutes or so max, but here we are, done in split seconds. So that is the power of GPT for you. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing, like and share as well. See you in the next one. Thank you.